Hey, welcome to Feeling Tech today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SJCAM SJ4K model. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and then showing some test footage from the camera itself. Well, look, there's the camera itself. Looks like in the accessories, there's a couple different mounts and screws. Put it on a tripod or something. Then it comes with a micro USB cable. Comes with all kinds of different mounts for the camera, so that's nice. You don't really have to go searching to be able to mount it onto a lot of things. You can sort of just get going right out of the box. Yeah, so this camera records in 4K 30 FPS, 2-inch screen, 900 milliamp battery capacity, and apparently waterproof for up to 30 meters. They have a mobile app too where you can download your files, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it has a little open latch at the top. I think that might be for, lets you take off the waterproof case. The SJCAM SJ4K series. Really small action camera, very compact. There's a latch for the battery if you need to replace that. So yeah, it came with a decent charge already. It's recording in 2K to start, so you probably have to change a setting in there to set it to 4K. There's a Wi-Fi button, but yeah, seems like there's just a button for Wi-Fi capabilities, so you might have to download the app to access more settings and get to play around with it a bit more. And there's the waterproof case, very nice. Feels very sturdy, feels very shock resistant. So yeah, there's the SJCAM SJ4K. I'm gonna go get some test footage and see how this thing films. Okay, so I'm testing the audio on the SJCAM. It's pretty windy, so we'll see if it picks up my voice very well or not. So after reviewing the footage, the video turned out pretty well. The audio test went really well. It picked up my voice pretty clearly, even through the wind and outside noises. The stabilization was pretty good. Even with the running tests, didn't get blurry or anything. And with the water test, I threw it in the pool and didn't get blurry or anything. It was obviously waterproof and worked pretty well. I think for the price point, it's definitely worth it. It's got some of the best stabilization and audio. Picked up my voice pretty clearly, even with the wind. Overall, really great action cam. The battery life is decent. It came here at around 3/4 battery, and by the time I was done shooting, it was at around 1 bar. So that was around 30 minutes. I tried out the SJCAM app as well, and you can use it to mess with any of the settings, and you can manually shoot from your phone. There's a bit of a delay with the video from the camera, and there were some connectivity issues with the app. It was disconnecting pretty frequently, so it was a bit hard to use the app, but it's there as an option. So overall, pretty decent action camera. I definitely recommend it to you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll try to answer whatever I can to the best of my knowledge. But yeah, thank you for watching.